Good morning students and welcome to your first 7th standard history class. Today we will be studying sources of history. How do we know about history? It is through sources. Sources means places. Sources of history means the places from where we get information about history. Okay? Can you see this picture over here? All these are this civilizations. This is another civilization. Here you can see another civilization. Here some kind of inscriptions are there, manuscripts you all have learnt and seen before in your previous class, right? Also you can see some kind of articles over here. These are called sources of ancient Indian history. Let us go into it and see what we are going to learn. Okay? What is history? History is the systematic study of the past events. Systematic means organized. Organized method of learning of events that has happened in the past years. Now last year, what you have studied? You have studied about Indus Valley civilization, right? And Harappan civilization. This year, you will study medieval period of Indian history. That is from the 9th century CE to 18th century CE. What is the definition of history? History gives us a chronological, scientific and systematic account of past events. Chronological means, what do you mean by chronological? Chronological means in which the events occurred. In which order it occurred, that is called as chronological. Okay. Now there are 4 important factors of history. What are the 4 important factors? First one is individuals. Can you see here? Individuals. Individuals means, for example, the freedom fighters. We will learn about the freedom fighters, scientists, their works, what they did that made them important in history. For example, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmibai. This is about the individuals. Next one, we will learn about the society. How the society has developed. What are the changes that happened in the society, reforms, cultures of society, traditions, right? Third one we will learn about is about the places of history, where there are the historical monuments, forts, samadhis, virgalas, museums, caves. All this will come in places. And lastly, the time. What is the time period about when that particular event took place? For example, 1945. What took place in 1945? Independence of India, right? Yes. So these are the 4 important factors: individual, society, place and time. And let's go ahead. Now from where do we find out about history? From where do we find out about history? It is from sources. Now these sources should be reliable sources. They should be reliable evidences or proofs. Okay, those proofs or evidences which are reliable are called as good sources, real sources. Now we must try to identify which are the real ones and which are the fake ones. Which one is authentic, genuine, sure, real, valid document. About the information we are reading, we should know that whether it's a real one or it's a fake one. Now let us look at some examples. Look at this picture. Can you see this picture? This is the picture of Abraham Lincoln. He was the 16th president of the United States of America. What is written here? Don't believe everything you read on the internet just because there's a picture with a quote next to it. Abraham Lincoln. Now use your discernment. Just now this is the picture which is there on the internet with the name of Abraham Lincoln. Now think about it. During that time, was there internet in the past? Were there computers? No, right? So this picture is fake picture. This information is fake. So this is not a reliable source. Now let's look at the next picture. See this picture? This is a news article, okay? And this lady is Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton is the wife of President of America, of the past President of America, Bill Clinton. Now what does the news article say? Hillary Clinton adopts alien baby. And here, space creature survived UFO crashed in Arkansas. And it's also shown that it is a official photo. Okay. Now think about it. Are there aliens in this world? Did aliens come here? No. Right? So this is fake news and wrong information. So you should never believe things which are wrong. Always go deep into it and find out what is the real, what is fake. And let us look about the sources of history. There are three main types of history. The three major types of history are material sources, written sources, and oral sources. Okay? These are the material sources which are physical sources. This is the written sources which are basically manuscripts, ancient letters. Okay? And this is the oral sources. Oral sources are elder people telling tales, stories, information that is passed by word of mouth, by people telling, speaking, songs. Okay, these are called as oral sources. Now firstly we will go for material sources of history. What are material sources of history? It includes all physical sources. Physical sources which are sources which you can touch. Things that you can touch are called as physical sources. Now which are the physical sources? Memorials, buildings, cave sculptures, inscriptions, coins, copper plates, and forts. These are called as the physical sources, also called as the material sources of history. Okay, let's go ahead. I hope you all have understood till here. Now we will learn about the introduction and explanation of material sources of history. Look at this video and pay close attention, children.